Hello everyone! So, if you want to change the language on your XIAOMI Watch S3, there are two ways to do this and I'll explain both of them. So the first one is through your phone. Grab your phone. Now on your phone you're to go to your settings. If it's iPhone, go to General, go to Language and Region and add a language or choose your preferred one. For example, we want to use Czech. So swipe it down, press Continue. And now our watch will translate itself into Czech as well. So in order to make that happen, you're to make sure that you're connected to it, right, as you see. Now open up your MiFit application, and in your MiFit, press Sync. Choose your devices section and press Sync. Alright, now let's check out our watch, and as you see, the language has successfully changed. Now let's turn it back to English. It will be more comfortable. So the other way to do this is quite a radical one, but it still works. So you can do this through a hard reset. So in order to do that, as you see, the watch changes the language in real time. Let's go to our settings. And in our settings, scroll down to your system settings. Here, press Factory Reset, confirm your choice by pressing on a blue button. Alright, our watch got resetted. Now let's turn them on again, so hold the down button. Alright, release it. Let's wait until our watch will load up. Alright, and now you can simply choose any language which you want. So choose the language, connect to your phone, and you're good to go. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.